Hey, hey. While I be like Okada wey jam mode way. You know as the thing go be. You know as the accident go be. Hey, this one shock me, oh. And then they ask am, this Jenny-ma, you do with Coco Clickbo? He say he no do. So as I put my hand for back, he's do? He say he no do. See how can hear the voice noting.
Me and Jay, we fit dey house we fall from morning till evening.
She know they tire.
Yeah, if we tire, we will rest or continue.
Hello, my beautiful people. How are you doing, guys? I hope you guys are doing good. Make I don't forget to greet you. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And you are welcome if you are new here. I still remain your girl, Musumola. The matter we are doing for you today now, Coco Clickbo and Jenny and Tonto Dinke. Tonto. This God wey you dey serve, na that God make you dey serve. The God dey your back, the God dey follow you up and down. And if na say anything you dey do good, make you dey do am good. If to say you dey do something wey be say e good to God, make you dey continue dey do am. No stop, Tonto. Come hear the voice note of Jenny-ma and Coco Clickbo. This one shock me, oh. You guys, I just say you still remember, say this Jenny come to Tonto, they beg Tonto, please. I don't want my relationship. I don't want my marriage to end because of this issue. Make you not expose me. Make you not tell the whole world, say I do am with Coco Clickbo. And now this Jenny still call Tonto Dike to court, say he dey spoil him name, say he do something with Coco Clickbo. And come here, oh, I mean this Coco Clickbo dey lie. No be this Coco Clickbo voice we dey hear. This voice na Coco Clickbo voice. You know the difference with the voice when you dey use to spoil Tonto Dike. Na the same voice. Na here dey hear so. I go still play am for you guys make you hear, oh. Hey, this Coco Clickbo, him mouth no dey close at all. It just be like woman. Some woman sef their mouth still close past this Coco Clickbo. Yes. And there is some men too, men outside, wey be say their mouth no dey close. If they just peck woman for their cheeks like this, they go dey talk up and say, I don't fuck am. Just only peck you. Just kiss on the cheeks, you. No talk of if you don't go down, deep. They go talk am for whole world, say I don't go down, deep. I don't know who they open left for this kind of Coco Clickbo. So if I don't feel call her very well, I don't be Igbo. I don't know the kind of woman where they open left for this kind Coco Clickbo. Because this Coco Clickbo, in mouth no close at all. One feel omigbono, aṣọ ekisa. One feel jolenu at all. They don't use dirty cloths when they burn them. They don't use dirty cloths or hot water to massage the mouth. Make the mouth no dey loose. This man, the mouth dey too loose. You remember? Say this Jenny drag Tonto to court. I hope say you guys never forget that one. Say this Jenny drag Tonto to court. Say he go pay am 500 million. Hey. So now, who go pay Tonto now? Is it Jenny go pay Tonto or Tonto go pay Jenny? Because everything don't expose. We don't see wetin happen. We don't see wetin dey go. So who won't pay each other now? Make you tell me. And this Jenny, you just dey use your tweak yansh to spoil how the whole world do. You dey twerk with your stupid yansh. Now you get your body, not my own. No. Make it not dey. I don't know the kind of house where you don't use your twerking to spoil their house. You know the day tire as the video as the Coco Clickbo they talk. You know the day tired. Your husband pick no dey enough for you. We still know say person wey dey single you go fuck now. You will be say you don't dey inside husband house. Wait till we won't talk about you. If you don't dey use your tweaking nakedness on internet to spoil somebody house. Your tweaking naked when we say you dey use am dey spoil internet up and down. You dey use, yes, some people they watch them, they like them. Sure, you understand? But no, they use that your twerking to spoil someone's life. They make you they use that twerking to they fuck up and down. They spoil people. Oh, it's no good, Jenny. It's no good, dude. So guys, don't we still there your bag bang there. Me I still there your bag. And make you they serve the God where you they serve. Make you they do the thing where you they do. If they help you, they support you. Yes, if they help you, they support you. So guys, make you now listen to this video. I don't want this video too long. Listen to this voice note. Make you now put your own comments down. So guys, I have to go. Bye and stay blessed.
Me and Jay, we fit dey house, we'll fuck from morning till evening.
She know they tire.
Yeah, if we tire, we'll rest, we'll continue.